Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to turn off the Microsoft Defender SmartScreen Filter in the Microsoft Edge web browser. So generally from a security standpoint, this would not be recommended. However, they do give you an option to turn it on or off. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to open up Edge, click on this three dot icon and select settings. On left side select privacy. On right side you just need to scroll down. Under the security you can able to see the option Microsoft Defender Smart Screen help protect me from malicious sites and downloads with Windows Defender Smart Screen. You can turn it on or off by your preferences, and that's all you have to do it guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.